Today, we will talk about world's most powerful birds of prey. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Some birds are incredibly strong for their size and can lift surprisingly heavy objects. But do you know which birds can handle the heaviest loads? These amazing birds are among the strongest in the world based on their ability to lift animals and objects, sometimes heavier than their own body weight. 1. Harpy eagle. The harpy eagle is by far one of the strongest birds on Earth. This large bird of prey lives in tropical forests throughout Central and South America. Harpy eagles are apex predators at the top of the food chain, with a recorded lift capacity of up to 18 kilograms, 40 oz. Females are generally larger and more powerful than males, with the largest individuals capable of lifting prey weighing even more. What in the world would a harpy eagle lift that heavy? This eagle dines on mammals larger than many other birds can handle. In addition to other animals in their diet, harpy eagles eat sloths and monkeys over 13 kilograms, 30 oz, each. A significant part of a harpy eagle's power comes from its massive talons. Each of these talons is roughly the size of a human hand. 2. Bald eagle. Bald eagles are among the largest, most powerful raptors in North America. These birds are impressively large, with a massive wingspan of up to 8 feet, and they don't just look strong, they are mighty too. Though their diet consists mainly of fish, bald eagles have the strength to lift small deer and calves up to 8 pounds with their massive talons. In addition, they can injure animals much larger than themselves, such as bears and elk. 3. Steller's sea eagle. The Steller's sea eagle is a large bird found in the coastal regions of northeastern Asia. Though it is found mainly in northeastern Asia, some of the Steller's sea eagles are in Russia. Migrating to Japan during winter, it distinguishes itself from other birds with its dark brown plumage and white wings. Unfortunately, the Steller's sea eagle's colors make it more easily spotted by hunters. Although it does not have natural predators, the Steller's sea eagle's nest and hatchlings are preyed on by mammals and crows. The Steller's sea eagle is also considered the heaviest eagle globally, weighing up to 20 pounds. However, in terms of different measurement standards, it falls behind the harpy eagle and the Philippine eagle. Aside from its weight, the Steller's sea eagle has an impressive 8 feet long wingspan. Their wings allow them to fly 30 miles per hour, but they can dive at speeds of over 140 miles per hour. This heavy eagle preys on fishes, specifically trouts and salmons. It hunts fishes only along in the shallow parts of the water. The Steller's sea eagle is a solitary bird and hunts alone. 4. Golden eagle. Golden eagles are plentiful across the northern hemisphere and are powerful birds in the eagle family. These birds can lift as much as bald eagles, and sometimes even more, up to 10 oz. Golden eagles have an enormous wingspan of up to 8 feet, with an average weight of up to 15 pounds. The heaviest golden eagle on record was a female weighing nearly 17 oz. Female golden eagles typically weigh 2 to 5 oz more than males. Golden eagle talons measure up to 4 inches in length and have crushing strength. Their prey includes small to medium mammals, live or carrion, like rabbits, hares, squirrels, prairie dogs, fish, and birds. 5. Great horned owl. Great horned owls are among the strongest owls on Earth. They live throughout North and South America, hunting for small mammals such as rabbits and rodents. But don't let their diet of small animals fool you. They are large and very strong birds. An average-sized adult male great horned owl weighs up to 5.5 oz and can lift 4 times its body weight. With a wingspan of 5 feet and sharp talons up to 3 inches in length, great horned owls carry their prey with ease. 6. Gerfalcon. The gerfalcon is the biggest falcon on Earth. This bird of prey lifts up to 5 oz. That number might seem significantly less than what some of the other birds on this list can lift, but that's quite a lot compared to the gerfalcon's own weight. The average gerfalcon weighs around 3 oz. That means an average healthy adult can lift nearly twice her own weight. The largest gerfalcons have a wingspan of up to 6.6 feet, and their razor-sharp talons can measure up to 3.1 inches in length, making them one of the most imposing predators in the Arctic. 7. Eurasian eagle owl. The Eurasian eagle owl is native to Eurasia. Europeans often refer to this bird of prey as the ulu. Female Eurasian eagle owls are larger than the males, growing up to 30 inches tall and weighing up to 3 ols. How much can a Eurasian eagle owl lift? This bird can carry a pound or 2 more than its own weight, around 4 to 5 pounds. With an average wingspan of 8.2 feet, Eurasian eagle owls are among the largest owls in the world. Also, their sharp talons can measure up to 2.8 inches in length, making them formidable predators. 8. White-tailed eagle. The white-tailed eagle is also native to Eurasia and is the largest European eagle breed. Similar to the bald eagle, this bird of prey lifts weight up to around 8 ols. Among eagles worldwide, the white-tailed eagle ranks fourth in size and weight. However, this eagle ranks first for wingspan size out of all current eagle breeds. White-tailed eagles have a wingspan of up to 8 feet and weigh up to 10 ols or more. Their dynamic wingspan and sharp, hooked talons give them a great deal of strength, but these eagles spend much of their day perched. The white-tailed eagle might appear to be on an all-day break, but it's always looking for more food. Sometimes that means stealing another eagle's catch. 9. Philippine eagle. Philippine eagles are also among the strongest birds in the world. As with most eagles, they can lift an average of nearly 6 ols or more. The average Philippine eagle weighs up to 18 ols and has a wingspan of up to 7 feet. The Philippine eagle currently ranks as the longest eagle in existence, based on the length of the average adult female. Adult females grow up to 3.5 feet. The biggest female Philippine eagle on record was 3.8 feet in length. The Philippine eagle is an apex predator and an opportunistic hunter. Also, it hunts mainly via still hunting, watching for prey from one spot, and perch hunting, moving from perch to perch. In addition, this strong eagle uses its powerful talons to kill animals like squirrels, snakes, rodents, lizards, and birds. The Philippine eagle is the national bird of the Philippines. It is also the symbol of the Philippine Eagle Foundation. The total number of these huge eagles is declining. There are only about 400 to 500 pairs left in the wild. 10. Red-tailed hawk, nicknamed Redtail. The red-tailed hawk is a large bird of prey found throughout North and South America. It's one of the largest hawks on Earth. Red-tailed hawks weigh up to 3.5 ols with a wingspan of up to 4.5 feet. Their powerful talons can measure up to 3 inches in length, making them deadly predators. Red-tailed hawks can lift up to 5 ols, including their favorite prey. These carnivorous hawks hunt squirrels, rabbits, and rodents. However, as opportunistic hunters, red-tailed hawks eat any small birds, fish, mammals, and reptiles they can find. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.